Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here in the fixing shop. Yeah, the blue collar simulator is behind me, but I've been over in the shop side tonight working and I shrunk it. I shrunk the cover. This is the old style, and it was taller, had all this dead spot in the top right here, and it sat on top of the stand, and it was in little in there, but this is my demo, okay? Square demo, that's what that means. But anyway, it sat in there like that when it was in there, but it didn't, it wasn't locked in like I wanted it, but it leveled up good. And so I took the basic same design. The one thing about it is if you can get it shorter, then it's a smaller target. So it's not as easy to hit. So my son-in-law whacked one here at the house. He did, he got one, and it was up high. So if he, see where he hit it, if been that long, he never hit it. I still put the little clip in there for you to put your stick in to turn it on and off. Your buttons here, on and off, to turn them off. You can reach in those little holes in the top and do those. Your plug goes in here for your USB charger, for your Type-C. And so let me show you how this thing comes apart right quick. I like to come apart like this. Just grab it and just pop it and bring it off. So there you go, one piece. There's that. Now, the machine is in the block, and you can tell it's in there. Well, I can hold it this way. See, it's in there. Get a hold of it, get you a nice grip, wiggle, and pull it right off there. Now, I'm making these a little bit looser. Next batch over there are going to be a little looser in this batch. But there's where your USB is. Now, guys, these are vents that go here, 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 and around. Can't cover those up because it needs air to get in there. Now, I figured that out by taking mine apart. And so when I redesigned this, if I was going to put it deep down in there like that, I had to put vents. So it's got vents in here, there, you see them. So the vents are in there to where the air can get into the box where it's at. And it's still got the same flat bottom, still got 4 leveling legs, still got your locking nuts. It still indexes in this little mark right here, so it only go in one way. And that puts it as close to the front as I can get it. Because the way I designed it, I put it as far forward as I could to keep it up forward and get your reads better. Now, when this thing goes together, guys, you're going to see it right here. Watch. It's going to go right into the hole and push together just like that. It's in there now. There it is. Now, you cover. I like to put it on these back tab, these two sides, just let it fall in those. And then the front, reach it right there and do it there. You can pick it up and move it around, but you just give it one of them and it'll pop loose. I like to put it in here and then drop it in. Now to get it loose, you can just give it a pop and it'll come off. You're going to face it forward with the holes. And I like to just let it fall in between here, there, and there. So it's kind of in between them all, right? See it? And then just give it a, just give it a push back. This keeps your machine in there. You got your power coming out. You turn it on and off. You can put your alignment stick up here to keep it out of your way. And you can put your level right on the top so you can see where you're at. So, and now your lasers, you can go in this side with a laser if you want to go right-handed. And if you play left-handed, you can turn it around and put the laser in that side and play left-handed like that. Just shoot that way and play left-handed. So you can use, these are about $23, $26 on Amazon. Links down there below. And they're rechargeable. And this here's got $10. And it works, but it loves batteries. So just be aware of that. I've paid for enough batteries for that one to buy these. And guys, you just stick it in the hole and tighten the little thumb screw up on it. That locks it down. You can turn your laser on, line it up. When it gets to the screen, set it up. Set your machine up here. Get it straight. When you get to the screen, you take that dot right there, and ever how far it is from right here to your ball, transfer from that dot over to there, and that's where you need to be hitting to. This is a new one. It's going to be ready. I'm making them over as hard as I can go, and I hope to have them up in, I don't know, by the end of the week. So I got a little work to do to get everything together, and I've got a bunch of covers on the way because I don't have any more of those covers. I got just one batch to do practice and testing. I guess y'all figured out by now, a lot of you have, that when you order something from Spike, be ready because he's coming the next day out the door, and it'll take it 2 to get there, but you're going to have it in about 3 or 4 days at the most. I don't want you to wait. I want you to get it there and protect your stuff because it can get broke pretty quick. I'd a whole lot rather you break this little piece of plastic whacking it real good than I would you break your machine. Nobody wants to do that, guys. They're still $39, even though I made all these changes to them. And shipping's $20. And got these printing hard as I can get them to go, and it's just going to be a better way, and the price is going to be the same. So yeah, got a smaller target, better, solid, more base. It ain't moving or going nowhere. The whole thing's just a package now. It don't rattle around or anything. That's what I got working with it. That's the new version 2. And if you would, help me give it a name, but I do need a name for it. And I don't know what we're going to call it, but it's some crazy old man made it. And that's what happens when you turn him loose. The wife, it's what now? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I've been out here for hours working on this and that, and doing different things. Machines are running. You see the golf course behind me over there. That's one of those projectors. I'm making a video about projectors this week too. That's another thing I've been working on. So it's about the cheap projectors, the budget projectors. I'm making a video about the $200 projector. So it's something somebody want to watch. They want a projector like that. I'm working on it. We'll get it out. So hey, y'all take it easy. Come see me anytime. If you would, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. And if you got any questions at all about whatever's going on around here, be sure and ask. And if you need one of these, frugalfixerspike.com is where I got them. And I'll be putting them up on the site as soon as I can get them all figured out. I just got a little work to do. So guys, take it easy. We'll see you soon. And, y'all take care of yourselves.